Today, we're going to create a rolling end credit, just like the ones you see at the end of a movie. To get started, open CapCut and create a new project. Next, import a video or image that you want to use as the background for your end credits. In this example, I'm using an image related to a horror movie. Drag it onto the timeline and adjust its duration and position as needed. Next, let's add some background music from the CapCut library. Go to the Audio menu, click on Music, and search for a track that matches your video's theme. Since I'm working with a horror theme, I'll choose a sad or eerie soundtrack to match the mood. Once you've found the right track, add it to the timeline. Now, to make the video more engaging, go to the Effects menu and choose a visual effect that fits your style. Add the effect to the timeline, and then adjust the timing of the effect, background image, and music, so they all sync nicely together. Now it's time to add the credits. I've already prepared the credit text using ChatGPT. Let's add it to the project. First, click on Text and add a new text layer above the timeline. Rename it appropriately, then adjust the size, font, and styling to match your theme. Next, let's add some animation to the text. Select the text layer, then go to the animation panel on the top right. For text animation, choose Squeeze for entry and Flicker for exit animation. Now, add the remaining cast and crew roles by following the same process step by step. Create a new text layer for each role, customize the font, size, and position, and apply the same fade-in animation. Repeat this for all the credits you want to include. After that, it's time to add the full rolling credits using keyframes. After the last cast roll, insert a new text layer and paste all your end credit text into it. Position the text bar on the timeline where you want the rolling credits to start, and make sure it aligns with your background music. Resize and format the text as needed to fit the screen properly. Now for the final step. Let's animate the rolling credits to move from bottom to top. Select the text layer containing your full credits. Scroll down the right panel and find the Position option. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the text layer. Next, drag the text down so that it starts just below the screen. Next, move the playhead to the end of the text layer on the timeline. Then, drag the text upward until it completely scrolls off the top of the screen. This creates the classic movie-style rolling credit effect. And that's it. Let's play the video and see how the rolling credits look from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.